Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Guys, I'm so sorry about last week. I didn't post anything last week because I have an excuse basically, and in due time I will share with you guys the reason why I didn't post anything and the reason why I didn't say anything on my social media. So for today's video, I am back with a face, not a face mask, but basically I'm doing face cleansing, like a oil cleansing. So I saw a few YouTubers doing this with different oils, where they basically take oils for the face and then they gently massage it into the face, almost like it's almost like cleaning the face but with oil. And the reason why oil cleansing works is because the oils that is already on your face, like the oils that your face produces, mixes well with the oils that you're going to apply on the face, and that's the reason why it works. And apparently you can get oil plugs from it, meaning like whiteheads or blackheads can actually come out. So I thought I'm going to try this because my skin is bad and I have dry skin, and I'm going to leave in the description below, I will leave oils for dry skin, I will leave oils for combination skin, and then I will leave oils for oily skin, so you guys can check and read below the different type of oils that you can use for your skin type. So for my skin type, I have dry skin, so I was going to use 3 oils: sweet almond oil, avocado oil, and castor oil, but I only have the castor oil that I have, and then I got me some avocado oil, but then they didn't have sweet almond oil, and all the other oils on the list was way too expensive just to do this experiment at home. So I thought, oh hell no, I would rather spend, I think I spent 35 rand on this, and this is like a, let's see, 100 more. So this is the avo and then castor oil. So basically you just throw it on your hands and then you just start massaging it into the skin. Oh, if you have makeup on, please make sure you remove your makeup and wash your face. Your face needs to be clean. So right now I don't have any makeup on because it was just pointless to put makeup on just to wipe it off again. So my skin is clean. I did my face routine. So make sure your skin is clean and make sure it's dry, because oil doesn't mix with water, it mixes with oil and oil together. So let's get into the video. So I'm going to apply just a little bit. I want to show you guys. Okay, it's coming out. This is the avocado oil, a little bit, and then I'm going to mix it obviously with the castor oil, but I won't put in too much castor oil because castor oil is very thick, very thick. So just mix it together and just start applying it. So basically the videos that I saw says that you need to at least sit and do this for 20 to 30 minutes for it to start working. So if you at home right now, which is supposed to be due to COVID, and because our country is back in level 3, so you're supposed to be at home, and then you have enough time on your hands, then you can actually take 30 minutes out of the day and then you just do this. Basically, people use these 2 fingers at work when we do facials, and I was still busy with my training. I saw that they like to use these 2 fingers. I'm not too sure why, exactly why. I will try to zoom in. So basically you have to rub your face like this for the next 20 to 30 minutes until you start feeling oil plugs on your fingers. Oil plugs is when you actually feel stuff coming out of your pores. This is basically what they say that the oil cleansing does. So I'm hoping it's going to work. So I am going to close my mouth and then do a little fast forward until I feel something maybe come out, and I'll show you guys. Okay guys, I haven't felt any oil plugs yet, So if you don't get any oil plugs after so many minutes, then it basically means that your skin is, I'm gonna say, perfect, because then there's nothing in your pores. But they should definitely start coming stuff out. I felt one oil plug, but I lost it. I'm not too sure. And especially for me here around the nose area. Oh guys, if you have dry skin, you will know exactly what I'm speaking about. It literally, every day you must apply a whole bottle of lotion on your body. Because your skin is so dry, you need to reapply lotions and oils every single time. And the face is even worse because it literally looks as if your skin is peeling. And especially for me, by my nose area. Oh my god, it's terrible. I think I'm going to fast forward again. Maybe I'm not doing it right. Maybe I'm rubbing it wrong. But I'm rubbing the skin like in this direction because I don't want to cause premature aging. Never bring the skin down. Always bring it up. So the only thing for me is I am going to try this oil. I'm definitely going to do this oil when I am alone at home, but then I will do it off camera for 20 to 30 minutes because I don't want the video to be that long. I don't want people to get bored. Maybe 10 minutes, just over 10 minutes is fine. But if I don't get any oil plugs, or if you don't get any oil plugs, just know it's because it takes time for the plugs to come out. So I'm definitely going to do a part 2 on this video and do more research on oil cleansing so that I can do it properly. I think I felt, oh my god, woo! This is the second one that I'm feeling now, but I keep on losing it. But I also don't want to show you guys because it's nasty. So guys, I felt two, especially on my cheeks. I will barely feel anything on my forehead because my forehead is always clear. It's always my cheeks, my nose, and my chin that always have pimples and whiteheads and stuff. So I'm definitely going to do a part 2 on this, guys, so stay tuned for the proper way and to show you the results, and then that video will definitely be longer. So some people advise to leave the oil on the skin and just rub it in, but if it doesn't do well with your skin, you can wash it off, and that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm not going to take any chances with my sensitive dry skin. So guys, please try this at home. Comment below, let me know if it works for you, or if you did oil cleansing before. Comment below below. Let me know if I'm doing something wrong, or if there is another oil that I can try. I think I felt another one, but I keep on losing it because I'm too fast. I think I felt another one coming out on the side. So guys, if there's any oil plugs, just remove it with a tissue. Don't put it back on the skin. And then take a warm washcloth, but mine is already cold now, and then you just wipe all the oil off. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Stay tuned for part 2. If it works for you, great. If not, let me know if I'm doing something wrong. Also, I'm doing this on New Year's Eve. My skin is bad. And there's always a chin area compared to the forehead. As you can see, there's almost nothing on the forehead. So guys, it's New Year's Eve. I'll probably see you guys next week again. So enjoy the new year. Stay indoors. Wear your mask. Sanitize. Social distance. Please guys, follow the protocols so that we can get rid of this virus. And remember, you have a lot to be grateful for. Always look for a positive. In between the negative, there should be at least one positive, and just focus on that. So a blessed new year to everybody, and thank you to all the support for the year, even though it was a another year. So until next time.